subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo is reportedly gearing up to launch its new flagship phone under next series called Vivo X5. And before the official launch, the upcoming smartphone official renders were leaked online by tipster Shadow Leaks on his Twitter account. According to leak renders and other rumors, the Vivo X5 will support a large 6.78 or 7-inch quad OLED display with waterfall style curved edges, and it has a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature an ZAS-powered quad camera setup in a circular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear cameras of the phone is suggested to include 150 megapixel camera that could feature Samsung ISOCELL G1 sensor, and we can also see a periscope style telephoto lens, which is expected to offer up to 5x optical zoom support. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. Apart from this, there is no other details of Vivo X5 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Vivo X5 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.